Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am super excited because I am participating in one of my YouTube sisters' collaboration, and her name is the beautiful, the fabulous Juani over at Juani's house. She is hosting, and I'm going to look down at my phone to make sure I get the information right, the Spring Patio Party for 2019. Now, what Juani wants us to do is to share a decorated or styled patio, deck, porch, etc. Share a DIY upgrade to the space, and share your patio tablescape, whether it be a bistro, patio, picnic, or etc. So guys, as you can see here, I am on a portion of my back patio, but I was unable to film it out here due to our Florida weather. It has been raining every day for the past week or so. And as beautiful as it looks right now, it's going to be raining again today. And yes, this area needs a lot of help. It needs some cleanup. My husband and I have algae on our modular grill. This portion right here is okay, but the putting green needs some help, and water has settled over there. And I'm looking at the putting green. How does real grass grow up on a fake turf, right? But I was unable to film out here, so I'm going to take you in on the inside portion, a half of it, and show you what I've done. I really didn't do a DIY. I did some cleanup because that space was beginning to be a dumping ground, and it needed much help. And I want to get back here. It's this time of year. I want to get back here and enjoy my outdoor space. So without just rambling on, let me show you the before and my process, and then I will show you what I've done after. Stay tuned. And guys, here's the after. There's my tablescape. I'm going to briefly just show you around this section of my back patio. I'm going to pan to the right. Can you believe I got rid of some of my pillows? Yes, I had too many back here, to the point I had piles and piles of pillows on the patio floor. So 2 is enough here on this bench and can be placed in the back of my family or guest if they want to sit there. By the way, here is Franklin the turtle, and I'm planning on moving him back in the house for the summer. I've had him out here and my granddaughter loves to surf on him. So I guess she'll be surfing on him inside. There are my plants there. Those plants are 4 years, 5 years old. Alright. And they grow, grow, and grow. And I have 2 of them that you'll see the other one in a moment. And I have it on that stand. I did not spend any money in the refresh of this space. On my sofa here, I got rid of more pillows. Had my pineapple pillows on there. Didn't get rid of them, I just moved them to put these Flamingle pillows that I picked up last year from Michael's. Wanted to bring that pop of pink back here. You all know, if you've been watching me, you know I'm loving that pink right now. Loving that pink. Now I don't know if I showed these before, and I'm not filling the middle ones for some reason. I guess it's because of the tab. When I was ordering it, I thought they were the same way to hang up, so I might be changing this. Hubby's not going to like that, of course. We'll see, but I'm not filling the middle panels there. I love the grommet section there, but I don't like the middle, so we'll see what happens there. And in the corner here, there's the other plant with the watering can down below that helps me water my plants there. That's my kitchen window there. And I'm gonna pan over here. Last summer we had the AC put in here because midsummer it gets extremely hot back here. So we had that put in, and I cannot recall the company that we used, but yeah, that's the remote hanging on the wall. But it is so cool back here now. It's nice, and I can't wait to start enjoying this space again, just sitting back here to drink coffee or eat breakfast or read my Bible. Now my cart, or my bar cart, we do not drink, well, we drink very little, but this was full of items, the top of it, as well as that portion in the middle. So I decluttered it, I purged, and I'm learning not to have, I'm gonna get there too, so much stuff. So I just have my jars there that I picked up from Michael's a couple of years ago. Those palm candlesticks from Target. That tray is from Target as well. And those striped candles, I think I picked them up a couple of years ago from Hobby Lobby. And down below I have some more wine glasses and the melamine plates that I love to use out here on my back patio, and my prop water over there, because I do not drink that stuff, but it looks good in those holders. So I have my prop water. So let me show you my tablescape. I have the flower facing this way, and I just threw this flower together, this floral together real quick, like because I did not want to spend any money. It's in a pitcher that I had, that I picked up from Marshall's, and I think they have that in here in their store this year. And I used different tropical leaves and hydrangeas and those pops of pink flowers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, guys. Those big leaves came from Hobby Lobby. Show you down below before I get to the table. My tablescape. I keep that tic-tac-toe down there. Everyone loves to play that game. I picked that up from Michael's one year. And then that leaf there seems to stay down there as well. And I picked that up from Hobby Lobby. So let me circle around and show you my place settings for my tablescape for two. So I kept it really simple, and both are the same. I have my pink glass that I picked up a couple of years ago from Hobby Lobby, and I wish I could find 4 more, but 2 is seen here. And I have this Flamingo straw because we can sip on some lemonade, some pink lemonade. And I have a placemat here that I picked up from Dollar Tree in the pink. Those wicker chargers came from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. They do have them again this year. The melamine white plate came from Dollar Tree years ago. And Time to Flamingo, that plate came from Michael's last year. And I have my Tommy Bahama napkin with that wicker napkin holder, napkin ring. Napkin ring came from Hobby Lobby, and the Tommy Bahama napkins came from Amazon last year. And again, both place settings are the same. By the way, guys, I did a DIY on this bench a couple of years ago. I picked it up from one of our neighborhood garage sales for $10. Went to Joann's, Joann's, the crafting Joann's, and picked up this Tommy Bahama material. The bench I paid $10 for, and the material I think I got for like half price, not even over $20. So hubby said this bench is worth more now with the Tommy Bahama material on it. It's outdoor material, and I love this bench. By the way, the rug came from Big Lots a couple of years ago. I have one on the other side as well. It's an 8x10 rug, and I do not plan to change this no time soon. Alright, when I refresh my spaces, I love to add to what I have, not change an entire space. If nothing's wrong with it, why change the whole space? It still works, right? Just change it up, refresh it a bit. And I do have another chair sitting right here, another wicker chair that I picked up from Big Lots, I think last year. Cheap, very cheap, after the season was over with. Under 20 bucks. Pan around, let you see the patio again. I hope you've enjoyed this video and took some inspiration out of what I've done. I did this space, the tablescape, mainly for my granddaughter and I to enjoy some quality Kiki and granddaughter time. Made it a fun space for us at the moment. Please go over and check out Juani's channel. You will love her. If you do not know her, you need to know her and become a part of her family. I will have the link to her channel listed in my description box down below, as well as a playlist that will feature some talented creators. I cannot wait to see what their patio spaces or their outdoor spaces look like. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.